Hello everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining me for another video. All right, my name is Kanella Ciraco. Welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, so welcome. Thank you for joining me. If you are a new watcher, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. So working on the All About That Base series. Can't even tell you what video number or what painting I'm at. There's going to be a total of 22 of them, and I think this is like 14 or 15. I don't even know. I don't know. But I'm almost there. So stay tuned to the end of the video. I am going to show you some more dried results. Now, if you've been watching religiously here, you've already seen the first 6 videos with the dried results. I showed you guys those results in a video at the end of, I believe it was the greenish yellow video. So there's results at the end of that video. So at the end of this video, I will show you results on 1, 2, 3, 4 more pieces. Yes, 4 more pieces. I will show you the dried results of that. And then hopefully as I keep going, I will continue to show you more dried results. All right, so I've got here a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and today's color is going to be Primary Cyan by Amsterdam. And you can see it's transparent. So I have already gone ahead and painted my edges. All right, so I painted them to make sure that there was perfect coverage there, and you know, the sides get covered really well. And the colors I'm going to use, this took me, I think this was one of the hardest ones. It took me a while to figure out what colors to put together with this, because this is a very beautiful blue, but it's an interesting blue. All right. So the colors, again, I found on Pinterest. And so what I'm going to be using is Prussian Blue Phthalo by Amsterdam. Then I have Quinacridone Crimson by Holbein. And I'm loving, again, this Titanium Buff Light by Amsterdam. And topping it off, I'm going to do Pearl Sky Blue by Arteza. So these are the colors. I hope you can see them really well. And then here's the base. So it was hard because this goes well, this goes well. They all go well together. So it's just a matter of when it gets blown out, what's it going to look like, right? So there's the colors using the flower hair dryer. So let's see how this one is going to pan out. I'll put these back in the order I want them in. And look, I got orange paint. So one of my bottles has orange paint on them, and I don't know. So one of them does. Either way. Why? Because I have a wet orange painting right over there. Actually, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 wet paintings. Maybe you'll be lucky and you'll get to see them at the end of this video. All right. So I am going to flood my canvas. So here's my base paint already mixed up and ready to go. And you can find the ratios of how I mix my paints in video number 63. All right, that is a full tutorial on how I mix my paints. All right, I'm gonna flood my canvas and I'll be right back. Everybody, welcome back. Okay, so my base coat has been applied and my bubbles have been popped, so I'm gonna get started. So I'm thinking now for this one, I'm going to do I don't know, I guess I'm always thinking about what kind of composition. I know you guys are probably sick of hearing that. But it's really hard to try and think of new compositions. There's only so many ways or ideas you can do it. So I don't want to do a wispy. I'm going to do half circles. Yeah, I'm going to do that. So let's do that on this canvas and see how this pans out. I've done it before. Let's see. I've done it 1, 2-ish times or so. Yeah, something like that. All right, so I'm gonna go like this. And I'm gonna go like that. All right. Let's see how this pans out. There's the crimson. All right, and I love this titanium buff, so I'm going to load this one on because I really love this color a lot now. This is like, it just goes with everything. And then topping it off, like even this just right here is beautiful, but I definitely want to add this pearl by Arteza because I want it to shimmer when it's dry, because this is the only shimmery one out of the bunch. So gotta add some sort of shimmer in there. All right, let's pop the bubbles. All right, so I'm gonna blow it out. I'm gonna start here and go that way and figure out the rest as I go. All right, so I've done my first blow, but I'm noticing I'm not seeing any of the Prussian blue phthalo in here at all. It's just disappeared because of the, of course, the crimson by Holbein. So I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna add some here on the top because I've literally just lost it all. Yeah, that crimson. I gotta pay more attention to my paint brands because Holbein is huge. Just takes over a lot. Holbein really takes over your paintings, so I gotta remember that. All right, so blew my paper towel off. Haven't done that in a while. Okay, look what's happening right here. Now, I'm really glad I added that Prussian blue on top because it really broke up the color in here. I'm not liking what's happening here. I don't like that blowout. I like this part and this part and this part, but over here, it's just, it looks horrible. I'm loving the colors though. I really do like the colors. I'm hoping this won't eventually touch, but it might. I'm gonna try and fix that. But let me start with fixing this here first. Let's see here. See what happens, there's no paint here. There's no paint for me to blow. It's like there's not enough paint, which is what happened here. So I think I'm gonna try and just blow some of the blue into the red or the crimson so I can kind of minimalize the crimson. Yeah, it's almost like it's really stuck there. All right, let's see here. I don't think there's much I can do to fix this. There's nothing I want to do here. I actually really love this. I really do love this, actually. I love it a lot. And this looks better. It's just, oops, just fluff just fell right into my painting. All right. I'm actually really loving the colors. I do. I just wish this was a little different. But other than that, I'm really happy with how this looks. And it's going to be very interesting to see what it looks like when it's dry, because it is going to dry so much darker. So I am going to touch up my edges and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So I've already gone ahead, scraped all my drips. So let's take a look at this piece. So there's a lot of color in here, and it's really rich too. So that Holbein, I'm telling you, you have to be careful with Holbein colors and don't put so much. You know how I'm so conscious about not adding too much of the 24 karat gold, and I've like have that, you know, in my brain, and I don't mess that up. I need to put that in my brain when it comes to these Holbein paints. Because they are so rich and it'll just take over just like the 24 karat gold. So keep that in mind. But I do love it against this blue. It looks gorgeous. So let's check it out with the flash on. Alrighty. So the pearl blue will be the only thing shimmering in this painting. So there it is there. So there's a lot of pearl blue in this painting. So it's obviously definitely going to shimmer wherever the pearl blue was. Let's look up here. Oh wait, what's here? Yeah, so you see this border of pearl blue? It's going to glow when it's dry. I really love this part of the blowout. This upper corner here is actually my favorite part of the blowout. That's really nice. Look at that. It's so pretty. Look at that. All right, everyone, so there you have it. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And let me know what you guys think. And if anyone is interested in this piece, you can purchase it by emailing me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. All right, so I'm going to show you guys some dried results. But before I show you guys the dried results, I have been working my butt off trying to get all these videos for you guys. So I've been down here in the studio for a couple of hours because I've done 1 painting, 2 painting, 3 painting, 4 paintings, and I have one more right over here I'm gonna do after this one. So I've been working really hard. You've already seen these videos, but obviously they're not dry yet, so I can't show you the dried results. But I will show you dried results of some of the previous videos. So this is the greenish yellow base, and it had the mauve and I don't even remember, gold. It had gold in there, but this piece dried really, really nice. All right. And again, these are all available for purchase at the moment, but by the time this video airs, I can't say for sure if it's available or not. Sorry, don't mind me. I have to reach down to get all of these to show you. All right, so here is the turquoise one, and look at the pearl pink. Look how it just shimmers. It just glows. Look at that. It's amazing. So there is the turquoise green with the pearl pink. All right, that dried really well. So pretty. Actually, I'll just put it there. Maybe that'll help. And then next we have the grayish blue base with the purples, and this one had a lot of the Arteza in it, and it is just stunning. That dried perfectly. The whole piece just dried very well. Look how it shimmers. Gosh, it's hard to hold and record at the same time. Look at that. I love it. So this is, when these all get crystal resin, they are going to be just stunning. All right, and then last but not least, all right, we've got the light blue base, all right, with the titanium buff light and the pearls. This one dried really well. They all dry really well. Look at that. See that? Gosh, these canvases are heavy when you hold them with one hand. Look at that. So yeah, there you go. All these pieces dried now. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And there you go. So, that's it for me, guys. I'm going to continue with one more painting for the day, and then I'm going to take a little break. I'm going to start packing some stuff. And that's it. So until next time, I really appreciate you guys sticking through and keeping up with all my videos. It really means a lot to me. So thank you so very much. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.